Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just trying to get over the last couple of weeks that I've had. It's been a strain on me, on my face, so it's definitely time for a mask. I do have a pretty cool mask for us today, and it is a gold mask. I actually got this in my BeautyCon bag, so if you haven't seen my BeautyCon video, I will leave a link to it up here. Please go and check that out. This is by NANACOCO, and it is a peel-off glow mask. I love glow masks. I love anything that brightens my skin, gives some life back to my skin. With everything going on, the weather, the stress, work, it gets very stressful on your skin as well, so it's nice to sit down once in a while and do a mask. And I love doing masks with you guys, especially when I'm trying out new stuff. I don't know much about this mask, but it has 24 karat gold in here, so that's pretty cool. This is supposed to be firming, nourishing, lifting, and rejuvenating, and I can really use all of that. So my skin has been okay, but it has had a little breakouts here and there. I think definitely because of all the stress. Hopefully it'll brighten up my skin and make it more firm and rejuvenated. I definitely need that. So it does say, this firming peel-off mask formulated with luxury and abundant nutrition of gold improves skin's firmness and elasticity. It will brighten your complexion by pulling the dirt out of your pores and removing dead skin cells. Let's definitely give this a try. All I have to do is apply this onto my skin. You leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Once it's completely dry, you just peel it off, and then you just rinse it off with warm water. You can use this twice a week. So I always tell you guys to do a patch test before you do any kind of mask. I usually don't. I usually go right into it, so hopefully this is not going to be bad for my skin, but we're going to give this a try. I love the fact that it is gold, and it has 24 karat gold in it. That's really cool. So hopefully it does do something for your skin, but it's definitely time for me to relax, and I'm just going to check this out real quick and see how it goes. So let's go ahead and start applying this. You can see the gold. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's pretty cool. So it is a beautiful gold, by the way. My face is clean. It is good to go, so I'm going to go ahead and apply it. And I'm going to use this little brush to apply it onto my skin. I usually like to use my fingers because I feel like it goes on better, but we're going to try it with this first. And I'm going to try not to get any on my robe. I love this robe. It's like a beautiful blue robe, and hopefully I won't get anything on there. But do you see that? That's so pretty. And it smells really nice, like kind of soapy, but like a luxurious soap. Show you guys what that looks like. That is so cool. Hopefully I'll have enough to put all over my face. And of course you want to avoid your hairline and your eyebrows, and I need to put my hair back
here, away from my face, so I don't get anything on there. Last time I put too much on my forehead, so I have to avoid doing that.
So I finished applying this all over my face, and it looks very cool. I literally have like gold on my face. I did use everything in here. I don't think I actually needed that much, but I didn't want to leave just like a little bit left over, so I did put some down here as well. It said 20 to 30 minutes. I'm gonna actually leave it for 20 minutes. If it doesn't dry, then I'll just leave it for a little bit longer. So I put the clock for 20 minutes, and we shall see how it goes. I can see why they want 20 to 30 minutes for this, because it doesn't dry that quick. I had enough time for it to kind of spread evenly without like peeling it off as I go, which I really like, because it takes me a little bit of time to actually apply a mask on my face, and I don't want one part to be dry when I feel like I didn't put enough and I need to put some more. So this definitely gave me that time to spread everything out evenly. I hope it's nice. I hope it doesn't react to my skin, because I do have a wedding coming up in a couple of weeks, and it won't be good if I have a reaction. I did think about this twice. I was like, should I be testing out face masks when I have an event coming up where I can't have anything happen to my face. But I couldn't hold off. I really wanted to try this, so hopefully this will be beneficial and not disastrous. So we shall see. But yeah, so just wait, I guess.
Put too much right here, and it's like a little bubble. It's too thick.
It's been about 30-35 minutes now because the mask I put on a lot. I put on a thicker layer, so it took a little bit of time to dry. It doesn't feel too tight or anything like that. I don't know if I showed you guys before, but that's what that looks like, that gold. It's nice. It's really pretty. I didn't expect it to be like a shiny, glowy gold, but I guess it's a glow mask, so that makes sense, right? So let's take it off.
And get a nice clean peel. I love peeling off a mask. Oh, it feels so nice.
There it is. There's the gold mask. I used everything that was in that little packet. It has like 0.35 ounces in there. I don't think I needed to use all of it. I think I could have actually used it twice if I put a thinner layer. Let me just go wash my face with warm water and I'll be right back. Okay, so I washed whatever was left over on my skin, and my skin feels nice and smooth, and it does feel nice and rejuvenated actually. It has a very glowy look to it, and I feel like, I don't know if it's just me or if it's in my head, but I do feel like that this has some sort of like a glowing look to my skin. I don't know if I just go, this is how your face is supposed to look, so believe it, but I do feel like my skin looks brighter and it does look nice and fresh, you know? It feels nice, it feels clean, it feels like my skin looks good, you know? So I definitely do see some sort of brightening. So let me know if you guys see that. If I'll do like a close-up, you could see everything, but that's okay. This is just what my skin looks like. So yeah, so I love doing masks. I do actually like this mask. I will actually try this again. If you are interested in getting this mask, I will leave all the information in my description below, so definitely go check that out. But I got this as a sample and I'm actually very happy with it. I'm even happy with the way that it looked. Not that it really matters, but I love that it had like a glowy look. So I had 24 karat gold on my face. I don't know if you guys could tell, but I do feel like it looks nice and bright, and yeah, it looks nice. I like it. So thank you guys so much for relaxing with me and you know, just letting me do my thing. This is just a quick video to show you another peel-off mask, and again, I am still obsessed with peel-off masks. I don't know why. They're just very satisfying. They're actually cleaner than doing other masks because you can just peel it off. You don't have to worry about washing the whole thing off. So yeah, I do like this one. I am very happy with this. I'm happy with the results. I feel like my face does look brighter. Let me know in the comments if you think my face looks bright and if it's something that you would be willing to try out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. Thank you guys so much for relaxing with me, and I hope you guys have an amazing and stressless week, and I'm hoping for one as well. Again, I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye! All this gold underneath my nails. Ew.